Because all of the data of our products inside of this application is digitalized, I have to show you an amazing feature that we have implemented. We have added an option to make Poison Center notifications directly from the Chemios applications. There is a connection established between the Chemios and the ECA submission portal. You can reuse the data that you have entered inside of the application to prepare your own Poison Center notifications dossiers and to send this data to the chemicals agency. The application will also guide you with all of the necessary steps of ensuring compliance and that the prepared dossier is compliant with the ECA's requirements for such a procedure. The notification is simply done by choosing the product that we would like to notify to the chemicals agency. We click on the bottom right the To Report button, choose the EU PCN, and then the application will guide and warn us if we are missing any of the parts for the dossier preparation. We can very quickly see that we are missing an UFI code for our product, and we can simply add this UFI code by clicking on the top corner the UN UFI PCN fields, and then the application gives us an option to create UFI codes for the product. We are usually using the VAT number of our company and the synonym ID of the product inside of Chemios to ensure uniqueness of the UFI codes, because each of the synonym ID in Chemios is unique for each product, so there cannot be any duplicates. And we can simply click on Generate button and the UFI code gets generated. Together with the UFI code, we also can add packaging because it's mandatory for such a product as well. And I'll simply add that it's a giant 10-liter bottle for this product. I click Save, and then we can go back and try to notify this product again. And we will see that we are then given an option to enter the remaining data, and the application has warned us that there is a pH value missing because this is mandatory part of the dossier. Add this pH value for the final mixture as well. Let's say that we have went with this mixture to the lab, we have done the testing, and we have determined that the pH value is between 7 and 8. We can then finalize the safety data sheet again to get this data reflected on the other accompanying documents as well. And then when we try to make the notification for this specific product again, this required data is no longer listed, and all we have to do is to fill out the data which is required by the dossier. We choose the uses of the product, choose the EU PCN PCS categorization of this product, and we choose which countries we would like to make the notification to. And let's choose the same countries that we have chosen the languages for, and let's choose French, add some Italy as well. Because UK is not part of the European Union, we cannot make a notification for English safety datasheet, and we will prepare this dossier for all of those 4 different markets, and we can then preview the final dossier as well. If we are satisfied with the prepared Poison Center notification dossier with all of the relevant data, the last step would simply be to click on Report to PCN, and then this prepared PCN dossier will be sent to the ECA, and if everything is fine, we would get confirmation that such a notification was successfully done, and we would have a check mark inside of the application which would signal to us that such a notification has been successfully done. If such a notification is successfully done, such a purple check mark appears inside of Chemios, so you can easily track which products have been notified and which not.